Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Articulary, where we make content about eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, we will going to talk about three amazing home decor items that are below $5 that you can very well get on Amazon. So let's talk about those products and how you can actually order them. And these are under $5. These are exciting home decor items. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing because whenever we upload videos, you will be going to get notified about it. And also, you can check our website. That's at www.articulary.com. The link is in description box below, where you can get eco-friendly, affordable art printables, and a lot more art posters and frame art prints. Okay. Let's talk about the three amazing home decor items that are under $5 on the Amazon. These are really eco-friendly, and let's talk about it. The first product that I have for you is What's Home Sign 15x4 home decorative block word sign, freestanding letters block sign, centerpiece cutout word table sign for office, living room home decor. So it's a sign. It just cost you $2.79. So that's pretty amazing deal. You're getting in the pink color. It's a PVC board. Let's talk about the description and a little bit about the feature and details. The home sign measures 15x4 into 0.62 inches, perfect for display on any shelf, tabletop, countertop, desktop. The centerpiece standing cutout worked table decor is made with PVC, which is bright color, durable, light, and water resistant. The home decorative word signs decorated with pink flowers is replaced by a red heart, freestanding table decor. It's ideal family gift. So that's about this particular product. So it's a home decor sign, which is pretty amazing and pretty beautiful. Second product, that is Mercier Moon and Star Tapestry Wall Hanging Abstract Anime Girl Tapestry. Black and white hippie bohemian tapestry wall hanging for bedroom, living room, college, door decor 60x40 inches. So that's beautiful tapestry. Just cost you $4.86. And that's all. Let's talk about this item. So an artistic black and white tapestry with moon girl design perfectly decorate your room. It's 60x40 inches, durable enough for bedroom, living room, wall hanging decor, made from 100% polyester fiber, good wrinkle resistance and shape retention. Advanced digital printing technology, unique design give you a different novelty experience. The new tapestry has folds. You can iron it so it will be more beautiful. So it's a black in color. It looks pretty amazing. You could hang it on your party wall or even in your party room in your home decor, and you could decorate it. Just cost you $4.86, so it's highly durable. Let's talk about the last and third item of this particular video, that's $100. Third and last item is UAK 200 pieces artificial fall maple leaves. Fake autumn leaves for Thanksgiving Day, wall hanging, Halloween, wedding, party, craft table, room decor, assorted colors. So it's an artificial maple flowers. So 200 pieces, which is pretty amazing. You could use them decorate for the Halloween, for your for the fall season. It just cost you $3.98. So that's also affordable rate. It's a maple. Sorted material is silk, so it's eco-friendly because material is silk. Fall leaves is a symbol of strength and endurance. Package cutted 200 pieces maple leaves with 4 colors. So there are the 4 different types of colors, and each color has 50 pieces. So in total, it's 200 pieces. Vivid autumn leaves, color realistic, provide visual enjoyment and create a warm atmosphere. Ideal for various decor occasions. Fall leaves for crafts can be served as decoration for weddings, parties, banquets, all sorts of DIY projects. So you could see the bunch of the images here on the screen that will describe this particular leaves, and it looks pretty amazing. Like you could be having it as a fall season, as a fall decorative. You could use it as a bouquet. You could place it on your dining room. You could place it as your hall room, in your living room, and even in your door room, in the stairs. A lot more could you do with these particular items. I'm going to leave all the link of these products in the description box below. You can very well check these products if you're interested in purchasing them. But do let me know in the comment section below, have you ever purchased anything from the Amazon under $5? This would really cost you it was really worth it or not. Do let me know anything if you bought from the home decor item from the Amazon. Do let me know in the comment section below. But thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it enjoyable and helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.